They are both APS-C, but I enjoy a lot using this Pentax K10D. Hello guys, so today's vlog I have a quick comparison between two cameras, a DSLR and a mirrorless, and again a CCD DSLR and a CMOS sensor mirrorless. So again, CCD DSLR versus CMOS mirrorless in 2024. So and also I have three reasons why I like the CCD DSLR over the mirrorless 6700 Sony. So again, Pentax K10D with CCD sensor DSLR versus Sony mirrorless 6700 CMOS sensor. So on today's vlog guys, I will show you a comparison with photography side to side, and again we'll do a sample photos with both for portrait. So I attached 50mm G Master f1.4 in the Sony, and I have also a Pentax, which is a vintage lens, 50mm f1.7 from the Pentax, which is CCD. So and also I will give you a three reasons why I like the Pentax. And so again, the Sony 6700 announced last July 12, 2024. While 2024 again is an APS-C BSI CMOS sensor. The body price is around $1,400 with 26 megapixel. So regarding for the Pentax K10D, announced release last December 15, 2006, and now you can buy it for around $450. So depends on your local market. It's in mostly in the eBay and it's already used. So because this is a 2006 model camera, and again CCD APS-C CCD sensor. Before we're gonna dive into the three reasons why I like the Pentax K10D over the Sony 6700, let's try to take some sample side to side photos with these two camera using with the same lens, focal length 50mm. So again guys, in terms of spec, no argue on that one. The Sony 6700 is way better than the DSLR Pentax K10. So if you want a fast focus, new specs and everything, sharp photos, this one is it's a beast. It's a nice camera. But yeah, I'll give you three reasons why I like, or three reasons why Pentax is better than the K10. First is the built-in flash and ergonomics. So you have already built-in pop-up flash compared for the 6700, and the ergonomics, I like the how you handle. I like how I handle the DSLR APS-C, which is and the build quality. So also weather seal, same with the 6700, but I like more how I grip, how I handle, how I use this camera. So yeah, first reason. Second reason is I have top LCD screen. A top LCD screen that helped me change even if I don't need to go with the viewfinder. I can change my settings while in the lower position, so I can change while I'm seeing like that because I have a top LCD screen. And the last reason is the price. So the price of this one is very affordable. You can check to the market, local market, used market. You can find this Pentax K10D. Also the lenses, even I attached the Pentax 51.7. So it's amazing lens, vintage lens. So yeah, I enjoy taking photos with this camera. So and guys, I think that also I like the color. So don't get me wrong, for me I like the color of CCD for taking portraits, and yeah, it's more contrast, and yeah, I enjoy using this camera. So and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Just a quick comparison between these two camera, CCD and CMOS sensor. So and guys, give me some thoughts if you use a CCD camera. So leave a comment guys, what is your experience regarding using the old CCD cameras, especially DSLR type. So and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this new Sony of the Sony product, or especially the Sony 6700, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.